Hello, I'm Amy Rosine, Associate Professor in the School of Music, Theater, and Dance, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about SnagIt, which is a product through TechSmith. You can go to the TechSmith homepage, and then SnagIt is pulled up right here. You can also go to Products, and you will see SnagIt right here. I am actually using SnagIt right now to create this video for you. One of the things that I love about SnagIt is that you have a free trial option for Windows or Mac, so you can download it and try it to see if this is something that you really want to use. The other thing, I'm going to go back here, is that SnagIt also has educational pricing. And so if you go to the educational pricing right here, it will show you that you can get it for $29.95 for a year, which I think is a really good price. I'm not terribly tech savvy, but I understand a little bit, and this product is very intuitive and easy to use. There are tutorials on how to do videos and screenshots, and so it's very beneficial for online teaching. So I created a video for students on how to maneuver in Canvas to their student groups, because several of them found it confusing. The only problem is that I have to do it from my end. I can't do it from the student view because Canvas doesn't allow me as a teacher to get into the groups. So you'll be seeing it from essentially the back end, and I tell the students that also, but it still seemed to help them when they were trying to find their student groups. So that's the next video that you're going to see, is the one I created through SnagIt, simply by doing a video screen capture, exactly like what I'm doing right now, walking you through this website. This video will help you navigate to the group pages, the group home pages. Everybody in the class has been divided into a group just randomly, and with these groups you will be meeting to practice singing your individual songs that you work on in the class and to get feedback from the groups. So you will get together in these small groups and practice for each other as you prepare for the class performances. So to get to these group pages, you will go to the left and click on People. That then takes you to the roster page, and if you go to the top of the roster, it says Performance Groups, and you click on this, and here you see that there are 4 groups. Now what you're seeing is my page. I cannot show this to you from the student view. That's not something that Canvas has been able to do. But you will not be able to click on any other group except for your own group. So I'm going to go to Performance Group number 1. If you want to see who is in your group, you just click this arrow and it lists the members. Kara Whitaker up here, she is a randomly selected leader of each group. So each group has a leader, and that leader will be the one who records the comments and then types them into Canvas, and I'll show that to you in just a minute. As we go through the semester, if you would like to change group leaders, I'm happy to rotate that out. It's just a random selection at this point. So, Performance Group number 1. Now to get to your actual group page, you have to come over here to the gear icon and click on that, Visit Group Homepage. That should be the only option I think you have. And then Discussion will just show you one of the discussions that are happening. So if you click on this, this explains each member of the group will sing for the others their song choice for performance number 1. So each song will have an explanation. If you click on Discussions over here, this will show you all of the discussions that have been created. So I have the other discussions down here, and then I will pin the current discussion. So whichever song you are working on, that will be the pinned discussion. And so you can click on it here also. And when you are working together in your group, you will hit reply. And I've already done that right here, and I typed in group leader will type comments here for each singer. So when you hit reply, you will get a text box and you can type in here. If you want to, you can, make it interesting. You can create a background color, or you can do a text color. If you're somebody who likes colors, that's perfectly fine. As long as I can read it, it's not a problem. So you could say, singer number 1 is Madison. Okay, and she will be singing "Oh Shannon Doa." And then you have your comments from the class. So we have constructive comments of what she does well and things that she can work on for the class performance. And you also have some ideas to guide you for each of these groups when you're working together. So you post the reply, and then I will see that, and I will go in and read through the comments. To get back to the home page, you can go to your dashboard here, or you can just click on Performance Group, and then this will take you back to the home page for the group event. There we go. And then if you click here, this will take you back to the home page for the class. Again, there we go. So that is a little tutorial to get you through to your group homepage. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me or ask in class. Thank you.